Good morning, grade 6. Welcome sa ating lesson 9. Multiplication of numbers with two decimal place factors. To multiply decimals, ignore the decimal points and multiply as if they are whole numbers. Place the decimal point in the product based on the total number of decimal places in the factors. In multiplying a decimal by a whole number, the number of decimal places in the product is the same as that in the decimal factor. Okay, note, count the number of decimal places from the right. So, magsisimula tayo sa kanan para mabilang natin kung saan ilalagay yung decimal point. Okay, learning task 2, example number 1. Find the product 7.42 times 2.39. Okay, mag-start tayo mag-multiply sa hundreds place. So, ang digit natin doon ay 9. So, 9 times 2, 18. Carry 1. Next, 9 times 4, 36. Plus 1, 37. Carry 3. So, 9 times 7, 63. Plus 3 is 66. Then, 3 times 2. Okay, dito na tayo sa tens digit. So, 3 times 2 is 6. Then, 3 times 4. That is 12. Carry 1. Next, 3 times 7. 21 plus 1 is 22. Okay, next, doon na tayo sa ones digit. 2 times 2. That is 4. Then, 2 times 4. That is 8. Then, 2 times 7, that is 14. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa partial products. Okay, i-add na natin yung partial products. So, mag-start tayo dun sa 8. Okay, so bring down lang natin yung 8. Magsisimula tayo sa kanan sa pag-add. So, 7 plus 6, 13. Carry 1. So, 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 2, 9, plus 4 is 13. Carry 1. So, 6 plus 1, 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 8, that is 17. Carry 1. So, 1 plus 2, 3, plus 4 is 7. Then, bring down 1. Okay, so alamin na natin kung ilan yung decimal places. Saan ba tayo maglalagay ng decimal point? So, dun sa unang factor, meron siyang 2 decimal places. Sa second, 2 decimal places. So, pag i-add natin yon, dalawang decimal, then plus dalawang decimal places, ang total ay 4 decimal places. So, magbibilang daw tayo from the right. So, mag-start tayo dun sa 8. So, 1, then 3, 2, sa 3, 3, and then 7 yung pang-apat. So, 8, 3, 3, 7, yun yung apat na digits. So, dun tayo sa pagitan ng 7 at saka 7 maglalagay ng decimal point. So, ang final product natin ay 17.7338. Okay, another example. Find the product of 0.85 multiplied by 0.46. Okay, so mag-start tayo sa hundreds place. So, 6 times 5, that is 30. Carry 3. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 3 is 51. Carry 5. 6 times 0 is 0, plus 5 is 5. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa hundreds digit. Punta tayo sa tenths digit. So, 4 times 5 is 20. Carry 2. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 2, 34. Carry 3. So, 4 times 0, 0 plus 3, that is 3. Then, yung ones digit, so mag-start multiply na tayo. Ones digit, 0 times 5 is 0. And then 0 times 8 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. Okay, so i-add na natin yung partial products. So 0, 1, 5 plus 4 is 9. Bring down 3, kasi 3 plus 0 is 3. And then bring down 0. So, ang decimal places sa unang factor ay 2. Sa pangalawa ay 2 decimal ulit. So, pag pinag-combine natin yun ay 4 decimal places. So, ang sagot, 0.3910. So, binilang natin yung digits, 0, 1, 9, 3. So, 4 yon. Kaya, dun tayo sa pagitan ng 0 at 3, naglagay ng decimal point. Okay, learning task 2. Find the product. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1, 3.53 times 1.25. Number 2, 2.32 times 2.31. Number 3, 2.42 times 1.56. Number 4, 0.85 times 0.54. And then number 5, 0.15 times 0.55. So, ito yung learning task 2 ninyo. Good luck!